What is up, Lambros? SteveCarrington.com here. If you're new to the channel, I'm Lambros Steve. Today we're at the Waffle House. It is New Year's Day, and we all kind of went on a little drive to go get some breakfast. And you know, me and the Dodge Viper doing some little 70-mile-an-hour pulls. But he got pulled over. I don't know what's going on, but the High Patrol is right here talking to him. So we're gonna go over here and exercise our First Amendment right to film the police. But they're laughing, so I don't know. Maybe he just likes the Dodge Viper. So we'll see what's going on. There's two police here. We weren't speeding or nothing. I mean, we're at the Hard Rock. Can you guys stop driving reckless?
Well, you know,
I said, can these guys stop driving reckless? Hey, what'd you do?
you just did nothing. You did it. You started it.
He wanted to see the car. Around where?
Up there.
Oh, it wasn't me, sir.
Up there.
I was walking. How are you today?
I'm good, sir. Have a good night.
You too, man. Have a good one. He said all of us around the corner kind of got a little hot. I think it was Joe that started the problem. So anyway, we're gonna go into Waffle House, and we'll get Mike's story on what the cop said whenever he pulled him over. So anyway, Happy New Year, peeps. We'll be back in a minute.
Hold
on. What happened?
They were in there underneath the bridge, and we took off, and you were in front, and I was in the back, I guess, close back. And they said, "Don't you think that's disregarding us?" He came over mad.
Disregarding them?
Yeah. Well,
we didn't see him.
Well, we saw them. We were wondering what they were doing, but I guess we were louder than the average Joe. I don't understand. Are you loud? I'm not loud.
I thought they were just telling the homeless folks into the bridge.
I know, but he came up hot about what? That you took off at the light back there?
Mm-hmm. Yeah, we were all loud, and we took off, and they were sitting there. So that was disregarding them. We need Freddie out here. It's disregarding, or it was...
what? We need to get inside and see what Freddie says. We'll go see. He said, the police said we were disregarding. I feel like you were disregarding me, sir.
Was he a dick?
What was that?
Was he a dick?
No, I think he was when he first walked up, but he was good after that. You too, man. Hey, Freddie, I need to hear what happened. Because he's saying that the cop said you were disregarding him.
Disrespecting him. Because he was under the bridge and we took off too fast off that turn and he disrespected it. We were disrespecting him. And it's like, we're going 45. We were just doing
You weren't speeding. You weren't driving reckless. You were just disrespecting the police.
What is his name? Officer Bates?
Yes.
Yeah, that's Popo.
That's the Popo Bates. I think he's pulled me over before. Well, he was nice.
He was all right. He just was a little bit upset.
He was upset.
He's one of my good friends. He's pretty good.
So wait a minute. His name is Mr. Bates.
Courtney Bates. Officer Bates.
I don't care. I'm not.
Mr. Bates.
First name Master.
Maybe I'll sort that out.
Okay, we'll be back. Ryan's over here drinking all the coffee. Meantime, we're trying to meet Roger. Gail? That's her name? She's like the hottest Waffle House woman I've ever seen. It's awesome. Sorry, Sally. May not be home today. All right, boys and girls, no ticket. We're out here at the Hard Rock Hotel and Casino, and we got some fans. This kid just showed up and said he wants to see the Lambo doors go up. So I don't think that's gonna happen, buddy. But we got our crew out here. It's 30, maybe 42 degrees, something like that. So I don't know what's next is we're gonna go get on the highway, and I think that High Patrol is gonna be looking for us. So we shall see what happens. But if no action happens, thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe, like, and turn on notifications. And the Lambros will see you in the next video. Later.